Welcome back, everyone. Another day in the books. Hopefully you follow along. So anyway, today I did a lot of the final coat of polyurethane. Sorry for the sun, but I think you can see it's about 6 hours old, 7 hours old at this point. I got to just buff it out. Red Online rubbing compound that a detailer, so I'm going to do that. I think it came out really good. Hole over there for air conditioning and then switches. So but it's pretty dry and very smooth, so very happy about it. Also put a couple coats of poly on the back. Two circles are going to be speakers, and then you see two holes there are going to be like a USB port and a cigarette lighter input. Stereo is going to be up there. Another gang of switches over there to control the backlights. Plan on putting a 12 fuse over in there. And running the wires down along the side inside there, so it'll be kind of hidden in two separate things. Also ran the wires for the diesel heater, so they're all connected through to the other side. Put a light in over there. I think that was there yesterday. And then today I really cleaned up the electrical panel, and I installed the breakers for the shore power, so it's going to run through the hole there, 30 amp, and then so it's a 10 Romex and then two 12 Romex. One here is for a 15 amp. What I plan on doing with that is basically running a piggy tail off the other outlet, so I'm going to put another GFI in the first outlet, and basically either it's going to be plugged into here, so it's going to have shore power, or it's going to be plugged into the inverter, so it's never going to be into both, so you don't have any issues there. Then what else do I have in here? Installed the switches. First one is, I'll turn on the power. First one is a light down here. Second one is the light next door on the other side, and then this one is for the diesel heater. Reason why I put the switch in here to turn it on or off is so that way, I heard it's bad if you turn off the diesel heater in the middle of a cycle. So I figure if it's in here, it's out of the way, it's not going to be accidentally hit inside. This switch is inside the cabin. You have to physically go outside and turn it off, so that way it's all be running and never have a chance of that. So it's fine. I have to put all the covers on, but just kind of tightened everything up. So everyone was giving me a hard time on Facebook. So anyway, did all that. Got the shunt in to measure the meter up there, so I'm gonna have to put that over there. I built a box to put inside, and I'll show you that in a second. Basically I've been polyurethaning this as well, but this box I plan on putting somewhere around here. I have to figure out exactly where. So it's gonna have the voltmeters, one for ingoing, one for outgoing, and then on the other side is gonna be control for the inverter, and then I'm going to have the diesel heater control and over there mount to that wall, and that's pretty much it. I got to just put the electrical outlet there. Back to this, sorry for the jumping around. So there's one 20 amp breaker, one 15 amp, so the 15 amps there. 20 is going to be dedicated to the air conditioning unit itself, and so that one I have not ran yet. I just have it pigtailed to the line there, so just want to make sure I leave enough to once I install it, so just kind of leaving that for now, but I'll cut that. Then what I'm going to do is, as I said, pigtail and use I got one of those like extension cord ends to put in there, so it's going to be mounted in this box, and then it's going to run to all the outlets, so I have to wait for the polyurethane to dry before I start doing that. Please, any comments, any suggestions, hit subscribe and like. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.